Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you three referral programs that offer you the chance to make a lot of money even without having to do any work by yourself. All right, so I'll be taking a look at three websites that offers you referral programs that you could actually make money from. So as you can see on my screen, the first one is Fiverr. Fiverr, you know, offers you as much as $100 for referring a friend. And this is how it works. Okay, for you to be eligible to make this money from Fiverr for referral, you have to, have signed up with Fiverr. That means you will have come to the Fiverr website and clicked on join and sign up as a Fiverr freelancer or as a Fiverr um, seller. Okay, seller or buyer, really, that's just the two categories. So it's either you're buying or you're selling. So, but you have to have registered for it. So once you register, you can start. You know, you get a referral code. So when you get someone that actually wants to buy, let's say the person wants to buy, you know, um, let's say, video services, editing services. Maybe the person is running a YouTube channel and they want to buy Fiverr freelancers, video services expertise, and you're the person that referred them. So what would basically happen is if you refer them and they sign up with Fiverr a um, as a buyer, as a client looking for freelancers, and they come to this Fiverr freelancers where you can see video editors, and they purchase, any of the services these people offer, you're getting a cut in it. That's just what it means. And you could earn as much as $100 for referral. That means if the person is buying a product or a service, there's what up to like let's say there's what up to like $1,000, for video editing service, then you're automatically making up as much as $100, which is the 10% of it. All right, so that's with Fiverr. So, but you need to sign up first, and then you get, someone to sign up using your referral link, and then once they get someone to do their job for them, and they pay those people, the money goes into Fiverr. The Fiverr company, of course, they would cut their share and then pay the freelancer. But you also will be getting your own share for bringing the customer. So the next one I'm talking about is Payoneer. Payoneer is actually a very, you know, fantastic fintech that gives you the opportunity to create, your foreign bank accounts, dollar, your pounds, as well as euros. So it gives you the opportunity to have these bank accounts even when you're not a nationality of on any of these countries. Okay, for instance, as a Nigerian, you can own a bank account in the US or the UK or in the Europe. All right, so that's it. So, but Payoneer also, aside from giving you that um, services of owning a bank account, which of course, if you sign up, you can see here you get a $25 um, sign up fee. Then, but that's not what we're talking. What we're here to talk about. What we're here to talk about is their referral earn, which is I think it's somewhere down here that they stated it. So you have the chance of earning as much as 25, yeah, $25 for each person you refer. All right. The thing is, they would have to, have received. If you refer someone into Payoneer and the person starts, using Payoneer services, and the person, is working as a freelancer and they're paying the person into his Payoneer account. Once the payment gets up to $1,000 or more than that, you automatically receive $25 for bringing that person in. All right, so that's basically, how the Pioneer referral works, which is very, very fantastic, I think. And for the last one is Gray um, fintech. If you're a Nigerian, you and you're a content creator or a freelancer, you will have already known, Gray, and Gray is becoming very popular. So they also have a referral program where they offer, they give you $5 for referring for bringing someone to sign up with Gray. All right, so this is the Gray website, and it's their referral page where if you see here, they're stating that you and your friend can get $5 when you refer them to use Grid, and they hit the $500 mark in deposits. So, okay, unlike Payoneer that you have to hit $1,000, Gray's one is actually a little bit more reduced, like half of Payoneer. So, if the person you bring in, get as much as $500 in their Gray balance, then you're automatically earning $5. All right. So and there are no limits. If you see here, there are no limits on number of friends you can refer. That means you can refer you as much as you know, as much people as you can. All right. So and I think that's the same case as well with Payoneer. All right. You can refer multiple people, multiple friends, family members, and all get your um your referral earnings from there. So, guys, that's the video I wanted to let you, um, watch. I hope you gain value from it. If you, even if you're not, yet a freelancer, but you want to start making money online, it wouldn't do you any harm to register to sign up with all this fintech. These ones I've shown you, Gray, Payoneer, even with Fiverr as well. Sign up with them so that they will give you a referral link. You can start sharing them while you're, looking to work as a freelancer. So when you start sharing, inviting your friends to also join on the platform, and you never know when you might, start earning a lot of money through referrals and the work that you actually do, on these platforms. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up so this video can go viral. And if it's your first time of coming to my channel, I urge you to please subscribe to the channel. If it's if you've been around and you've been catching my videos more than once, I want to especially say thank you. And that's where I'll be wrapping the video. I'll catch you soon in my next video. Stay safe.